Here at Medifab, we specialise in
creatively, intuitively designing and making
comfortable items and products that truly change people's lives.
built from the ground up right here in Canterbury. Medifab specialise in manufacturing products for complex rehabilitation technology.
Our mission and vision of shaping better lives, that is us.
Our people at Medifab are simply the best. We get out of bed to help people's lives. We go to work to help people's lives.
Our role is to improve the comfort and function of people living with physical disability and medical conditions. Since becoming industry leaders, our goal is to improve the lives of 100,000 people across the globe by 2020.
These users go through huge amounts of pain, and not just physical pain, but the pains that their families go through, the pains their parents and loved ones go through. We're not just providing a seat, we're providing a solution that's going to help everyone.
Medifab has learnt so much and invested in not only technology, but staff that bring things that we didn't already have in our team. And we have got an amazing nucleus of innovation and care.
I've always been a believer that there's a system for everything. And so we created specification seating, which is now known as specs. What we've done is we've been able to put our skills into a system that can be taken globally, can be taken worldwide. We can share the passion of what we've learned to seat people with complex challenges by making a system instead of just having one man do the job.
Managing posture and positioning is so important. Spec seating can mould an individual's shape, can give incredibly good postural support, and helps minimise pressure and pain for the user. The intuitive approach we have is the foam, and we've created technologies with our foam so you can change and customise it on the spot. At the first initial appointment, we can send that user home with a solution that works.
Medifab is privileged to have a world-class manufacturing facility in New Zealand, where commitment to innovation produces solutions that benefit people all over the world. We have a technology that would have not existed had it not been through the passion and drive of our innovation.
The Specs range meets exacting global standards. The Specs Super Shape back support is currently exported to 15 countries worldwide.
As well as manufacturing here in Rolleston, we also have what's called the Specs Rapid program, which means that we actually hold stock of a whole range of our different products in different locations around the world, such as Europe, Asia, and in the Americas. We have sales and warehousing set up in Auckland and across in Devonport, and we also have a business development office in Sydney.
We design and manufacture medical devices. Being medical devices, we do need to comply with the regulatory requirements, New Zealand, Australia, and worldwide in our markets. We've qualified our systems to the ISO 13485 Quality Management System standards and the 9001 standard. They are there to make sure our products are safe to use and they deliver the benefits that we claim.
All of us here at Medifab have a very thorough understanding of the complex needs of our clients. One of the things that we're extremely proud of is our axial swing away lateral support. It's quite a unique mechanism, which was an industry first, and it's also been patented by us at Medifab. It allows the adjustments in the front of the lateral support, and it's able to mimic our hands.
It is so amazing to see a wheelchair user and a seating system which is working for them. It is adapted and changed for their posture, and to see with a smile on their face, but not just a smile. We've got them breathing better, we've got their pain minimalised, with their posture maintained and positioned right. And we know we can change and keep changing to make sure that user is going to be seen right through into the future with a seating system that can work for them.
We have users of equipment at heart. We don't do it because it's easy, we do it because it's hard. And that is where Medifab wants to be.
What has created our success here at Medifab? I truly think it's the passion and the innovation and the genuine care. We have a wonderful team, we have a wonderful journey, we have wonderful products, and we just can't wait to get them out there to the needy people in the world. Every box that goes through this factory has Shaping Better Lives on the side of it. Every one of our staff knows that at this point of time, they're touching someone's life for the better.